Hey guys, this is Team Ailee and we bring to you the next generation online lecture scheme. Although Ailee is a baby step towards next breakthrough, we do believe that this potentially changes the way students interact with online lectures. And I cannot think of a perfect timing to emphasize on the importance of online lecture scheme now that every university and institution around the world is actually employing online lecture scheme through for the entire semesters. So we bring to you Ali. So potentially we want to address the problem. All the students, not just the students, many of them around the world watch lecture videos to learn new stuff. Do you know how people usually say that they get profound thoughts and big breakthroughs while they're in shower? No, we students have a different theory entirely. We always get such thoughts while we are watching the lectures. So like this guy, so who thought about donuts while watching the videos. And when you do zone out, you lose the track of what the heck is going on in that video. And finally, what do? You rewind it and you watch it again. So this is the potential problem. We waste a lot of time by zoning out. Turns out this is not just the problem of one or two guys. Apparently 78% of the people zone out and about 86.6% of the people rewind it. So this tells you how important this project actually is. So we did a 5-why analysis to understand the question, to understand the solution even better. So why does this idea helpful? It is helpful to it helps you to concentrate the video. So why do you need help in concentrating? Because the lectures are boring. Why is it boring? Because it is long, it is monotonous. Why is it long and monotonous? Because of the lack of interaction. And why the lack of interaction? Because if you want to make a video interactive, it needs immense amount of labor intensive work and manual intervention, which is almost impossible. If you try to answer it backwards, how can you avoid manual intervention and labor intensive work? Obviously, the answer is AI. And when you do that, you can make the work interactive. You can make the videos interactive by asking meaningful questions to the user, essentially interacting with the user. So this breaks the monotonicity and obviously it gives a better engagement with the videos and therefore helps you to concentrate throughout the video. So that is the main motivation of this project. Also, we do have interactive videos on the internet. It's not that there are none of them, but usually they're only for the paid courses. Not every student can actually afford it. Turns out 97.5% of the students actually prefer free videos and 87.7% actually need an interactive assistant. So this is the poll that we got. And this is the motivation that got us to Ailee. And so we decided to make an automated interactive videos for all the free videos out there. So when we speak about the free videos, we mean educational videos in an academic setup. So here is our solution. A video consists of 3 main parts: image, speech, and transcript. And we want to feed all this into the AI engine and speak to the user. So let's go more about this AI engine. So this AI engine will understand the 3 aspects. In images, it does object recognition. It uses speech and transcript to understand the context, and combining all of them together, it forms a meaningful question that can be asked to the user. So what do you do with this meaningful question? You fetch the answer from the user. If it is correct, you give an incentive like a leaderboard points or something. And if it is wrong, we recommend to watch it again. So like I said, this is a baby step, but this can actually be the trendsetter. So now, when you consider this professor who is teaching with the blackboard behind him, and he has written few things. So what we do is we used a deep learning module called Easter egg detector to detect all the words that are there individually. We collect them individually. We change we do some kind of an image processing to make the computer more readable. And then we use another deep learning module to convert that into digital format. So now you see that DAGs can't have beautiful outputs, has some problems, cycles are completely bonkers. So it has gone wrong. So we do know that there are some mistakes happening in image. So this is a speech to text. I don't want to go through the entire speech, but this is what the professor has spoken. As we will actually look into this in the real video. And so this is where the search, the red box here, the professor has actually not spoken the word, but still it is there. It means that the speech also has some kind of problems. And this is the transcript we have. This is actually what the professor has spoken. And what we do is we use all the three elements to emphasize on the words that are very important. What is spoken might not be written. What is written might not be spoken. So we weight them and we give importance to the ones that are there in each and every one of them. And then we put that into a natural languaging processor, and then we get this output. So that is the basic idea. So we'll quickly look at the demo. So here is something, the video.
This is a translation of the Latin version of it. To every action, there is always, and just so you're clear, Newton was English, but he wrote it in Latin because at that point in time, people wrote things in Latin because it was viewed as a more serious language. But anyway, to every action, there is always an equal and opposite reaction, or the forces of two bodies on each other are always equal and are directed in opposite directions. So what Newton is saying is that you can't.
So now you saw that whatever was spoken was way more than what is actually on the slide. So here's a small question corresponding to that. So I'm going to just choose a wrong answer here to show that how the recommendation system works. When I say answer, it asks me whether I want to watch the video again because it was wrong. So when I press yes, it goes back to that. So that's the basic idea. So if you want to see a real-time video where the professor is actually teaching.
So DAG stands for Directed Acyclic Graphs. So that means we can't have negative cycles, or we can't have cycles, so we can't have negative cycles. So that's why this is an interesting special case. It makes things a little bit easier for us because we don't have to worry about.
So even here, you saw that he has spoken way more words than actually what that was written, but we do have few questions here. We have one question here that's dash have negative cycles. So if I say can't, it is the right answer. I'm just showing you as an example where this is actually a real-time website that we have built and it is working online right now. So when I say answer, it says excellent, you can continue with the question.
What negative cycles?
So the video continues from there. So this is how it is working. So finally, this is what Ailee is aiming at. We want to give a better interactive videos and want to make the online lecture scheme more advanced, more sophisticated, and this will be the breakthrough. So here's the team, Niranjan, Sumukha, and myself, Skanda. So we bring to you Ailee. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed this.